Hi, room 134 friends. Today we're going to explore a science experiment. It's with, you need whole milk. You need a little container that I poured my whole milk in. You need Dawn dish soap. So I put some in a cup. And then you need a Q-tip and food coloring. And all we're going to do is just watch what happens when we mix the colors in here. So I'm going to put some yellow, then I'm gonna put some red, gonna put some blue and green, and then you're gonna take your Q-tip, dip it in the Dawn dish soap, soak it all the way in there. And then you're gonna put that Q-tip on the colors and see what happens, okay? I'm just gonna observe. Oh, look at those colors mixing, friends. You see? As soon as you put the dish soap in there, how they all mix together and they're spreading out in the milk. This is a very cool science experiment for you guys. And do it with mommies and daddies at home. And just have fun with it. Oh, look at that. All right, friends. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.